Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob. We've got some breaking tool news. Makita continues to ramp up new tool announcements, and we have 3 new tools finally hitting the shelves this month, and you're going to want them all. Let's go. First up is the new Makita 18-volt LXT brushless right-angle drills, available in either 1/2 inch or 7/16 inch. These all-new cordless angle drills can tackle up to 5-inch holes with a hole saw or 2 9/16 inch holes with self-feed bits. Plumbers and Sparkies rejoice. The XAD057 and the XAD067 are equipped with brushless motors that can finish 200 7/8 inch holes in 2x SPF on a single charge of a 5 amp hour LXT battery. They share the same 2-speed transmission that delivers no-load speeds of 450 or 1400 RPM. They're both built for the job site too, with metal gear housing, retractable tool hook, and a side handle which attaches to either side. Makita also includes their XPT, or Extreme Protection technology, which is a series of integrated seals designed to improve a tool's operation in harsh conditions. Next is the Makita 18-volt LXT subcompact brushless Starlock Max multi-tool. Controlled with a variable speed dial, it ranges from 10,000 to 20,000 OPM, with a much appreciated soft start. The 3.6-degree oscillating angle means faster, more aggressive cutting and sanding. The smaller diameter barrel grip, blessed be, provides improved handling, and it has a large slide power switch, including a lock-on button. This multi-tool includes Makita's AVT, or anti-vibration technology, that uses an internal counterbalance system for, you guessed it, reducing vibration. And of course, it features the awesome Starlock Max system, which is a fantastic toolless clamp system for quick accessory changes. It's compatible with Starlock, Starlock Plus, and Starlock Max accessories. Last of all is a really cool freaking saw. This is the Makita 18-volt LXT brushless 5-inch dry wet masonry saw, the XCC01Z. This little guy is meant for cutting tile, masonry, and concrete. It runs at 8,800 RPM and has an impressive 1 9/16 inch depth of cut from a 5-inch blade. And while they didn't provide us with any photos of it, Makita did mention an optional guide rail and adapter. So is this thing a non-plunging masonry track saw? Sounds like it to me. It features Makita's AWS system that uses Bluetooth to turn on and off your dust extractors automatically, and that bottle on top is a water delivery system with water flow adjustment to meet OSHA Table 1 compliance for masonry cutting. Personally, I have 0 tile, masonry, or concrete projects right now, but for this saw, I'm willing to start with you.